Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to set up C++ for Visual Studio. Let me open my Visual Studio. Okay, now I am going to create a new project. And in here, in the languages drop down, I can see that I have multiple languages here. So if I choose C++, you can see that we don't have any templates for C++ here. So for that purpose, I will close this Visual Studio and I will open up Visual Studio installer. If you don't know how to install this installer, you can check out the link that I have provided in the description so that you can easily install Visual Studio installer or Visual Studio community. So after that, I'm going to modify this Visual Studio. And while modifying, in the workloads tab, this workload, I'm going to choose desktop development with C++ and click on modify. So now the Visual Studio installer will install that workload for us, and it will automatically install all those packages that are required for C++ development. Yes, downloaded successful. Now it is installing all those required packages or libraries for C++ development. Now the packages are being installed and we are almost in the completion phase. Okay, just finishing it up. Done. Now we have successfully installed C++ in Visual Studio. After that, I'm going to open Visual Studio again. Let me write it complete. This is the complete name of Visual Studio. Okay, 2022. After that, I'm going to create a new project here. Now you can see that in C++, from here you can choose all platform, anything, it's on you. And from here, we are going to develop console applications. Okay. So now I'm going to make the console application for C++. Next, here we need to write C++ basic create. Okay, now we have got this sample code. We need to remove these comments. I don't need all these. Okay, save. Now let's build the project. Right click, build. After that, we need to run the project. Okay, what it is showing to us, it is just printing out this hello world. This cout command is used for printing purpose. Okay, and we have got the desired result. If you are getting the error that your screen is automatically getting closed, for that purpose you need to go to tools and next options, and from here you need to go to debugging, and in the debugging you might have this option checked, automatically close the console when debugging stops. What this do is that your console window closes down automatically. Okay, we don't want that, so here uncheck this one and click on OK. Now you will not see that behavior again, and you will get your desired window, console window. Now after this basic C++ program, I'm going to create a new project for C language. File, new project. For this purpose, I will choose empty project. Next. In here, I will write it as C basic. Okay, just a simple name. Create. Now we have got the project. In the source files, we need to right click and add a new atom. From here you can see that we have this C++ file, but I don't want that. If I need C language file, for that purpose I need to use this extension .c and click on add. We have got the source.c. Now I'm going to include some libraries here, and I will use the main method here, int main, and in here I will print out welcome to C, and at the end you need to add the semicolon. Save the file, build your project, and run the project. Now we have got the desired output, welcome to C. This printf will print the desired output. So now that's all from our side.